ET here coming at you with the pre-market prep, so let's get to it. So another little bit of a gap up this morning, grind up and then consolidate and then slow grind up as what we've been seeing lately, more chop during the day after we gap up. Let's see if we can get a move today. We did finish with a small red DEX yesterday, which is very odd, but we did have some puts that were a little higher on some other time frames. Jumping into our whale targets and our customer sentiment, customers are still kind of hanging down there in a short the pop mode, but we have been absolutely ripping upwards. And now take a look at this. Our whale targets have moved up. We have a 611, a 610 support, and then that 590 range down there. So still a decent sized range. We're at the top of it. Doesn't mean we can't go up a little further. We'll check dark pools and gamma next. Another SIG print to keep an eye on, 606.8. 56 prints. They did a lot of buying the other day, and that probably gave us a nice prop up to the upside there once we hit that level and bounced. Largest dark pool is still 598. We've got a very thin, very few dark pools right now. Everything's kind of rested around that right now, but we're starting to get some movement up top now as well. Jumping into our gamma. Pretty easy look here. We hold 610, got room up to let's just call it 615 right here. We're not going to worry about that 630 quite yet. That's on the ag. Biggest pull is down and to the left. We're not going to worry about it if we see a bunch of bullish flow. Plus, we need to lose 610, 608, and then get down to 606 for that to happen. So our range on the ag is 610 up to 615, maybe a little higher if something happens there. If we get a bunch of downside pressure, 606 potentially as well. Let's jump in to today's and see what it looks like. A lot of times, remember, on Friday, they look a lot alike. Today's not too much different. We got to hold 610, break through, stay above 613, and then we have a little bit of room to 620, which is crazy. And then the biggest pull is still down here, but we do have one at 612 right here. Huge bar at 608 if we see a bunch of downside pressure for today. So keep an eye there. We'd really have to break that and hold to get the downside into that 603. So a little bit different between the ag and Friday today. Well, usually they're pretty much the same, but not a bad look. Pretty easy look for today, though, to be honest. Just got to hold 610 or 608 for more bullish Momo. That is all for now. Everybody have a good day. Stay safe out there and go get that Oprah money.